We're now in the irrigated rice plantation of the Canaan. As temporary, just minimum box of rice plantation, and there's some funds there. Now this is Pinoy Explorer. We'll be right back. Oh, come on, there's some house here. There's a minimum house. This is our partner, my cousins, Adrian and General, and it's me, yo. Now I do your hiking, 6 kilometers or 8 or 11, I don't know. That method far away a mile from the place we're going to, but we're going there to drink some coconut. Not awesome. This is the DNR pay below. Warning, post bill. This is a haunted house. Haunted house. It's haunted house. Oh, there's a guard. Guard dog. Oh, did you see the irrigated water plantations of the rice? It's not been called in rice terraces, but it's called rice plantation, source of rice in the Bukidnon. It's just a minimum, just a small land area. But it's so very useful. This is a tunnel. Charles, if you are in the night, midnight, it will be a CR. Those coming here and putting their waste. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Picture me, man. There's a barking dog there. We need to go because it's so cool. No. No. This place saw very, very good weather. Yeah, this video will be posted in the YouTube. You know, we're going to have a compilation there because they're so very good explorer. They have pictures. Just nature's view. They were taking the nature's view here. The roadway to Canayan. Tintinaan. Yeah, it's a fish pond. That's what I said. That's what I said. There's a fish pond there. Big fish pond. There's some sukoy. Yeah. Now, this is the fish pond here in the Canayan. You see that? Where? Oh? Ako'y isang bata. Ako'y manido. Big fish pond. There was a farmer there guarding. It was so sexy, yo. They're wearing red. Wala basta-basta pupunta na. That carabao there. That's what the Philippine national animal. The animals. That's Lansaganong. Oh, what's that mountain? So nice. Oh.
So very nice.
If you're looking here in the personal, you'll see a very nice view. It's a big mountain.
What a nice.
Yeah. We're coming for pictures. We're all done. Oh, pine trees. Animals, birds.
This is called pine trees.
You know, you will see a very, very more species of animals here. We can see birds. And we can see monkeys. Monkeys.
No, I'm not a monkey, man.
This monkey. A monkey.
Pine tree is abundant in this place. Canayan.
The old pine trees was planted by Marcos, and the new pine trees was planted by Ercito Estrada. You will see the result of tree plantation here. That was from Marcos. This is from Estrada. Mini canal. No. We'll see the effect of the tree planting. You can save life, the nature's life.